Welcome to Tomahawk DIY, everyone. I'm Mike. I've got my helper. We're going to work on fixing this gate. We were installing the trampoline and the excavator bumped this fence post. So before it opened and closed really nicely, and now it doesn't open. Can you try to open that, Macy? It doesn't open good, does it? Okay, so you got to lift up, or if we close it, it hits too low here. So we're going to have to lift it up to get it in. I believe that should just be some adjustments over here. So let's take a closer look. Okay, we're going to start by loosening these nuts. As we move the post over this way, it's lifting the hinge over here. As I push the hinge to the left, the gate's going up. I'll also be making some adjustments on the bottom one. Let's see how this is looking now. Oh, much better. Still a little bit low, takes a bit of pressure there, but definitely a whole lot better. Now the other thing I have to watch is I'm running out of adjustment room here. So because I'm about out of room here, come down to the bottom one, I'm gonna try and move the bottom one this direction a little bit. So on our bottom one, we'll do the same thing. I'll loosen the nut a little bit, and I'm actually gonna slide it. All right, so you see, just slide it over a little bit. That did the same thing. That moved the hinge up at the top. Let's take a look at what's happening at the top as we move that over. So it's back in its original position now. Now I'm going to move the bottom hinge, push it out towards the latch side. You see that? Let's try opening and closing this gate. Look at how easy that is now. Perfect. Okay. Last thing to do is tighten those nuts down. So we're going to tighten it down over here. Tighten it down over there. Do the same thing down low. Tighten this side. Tighten this side. That holds the gate nice and tight. Okay, thanks for watching Tomahawk DIY. You saw how easy that was. Just adjustments here on the two hinges with nothing more than a wrench. And let's see how the gate works. Okay, now close the gate. Opens and closes super easy. So like the video, subscribe if you found this helpful. I certainly appreciate tips through PayPal or Venmo, and have a great day.